Hello class, I'm going to demonstrate to you our lesson number 4. It's all about HTML font and animation. So class, I have already here my HTML document structure. So my title is, I can use here, lesson 4. Control S, Alt Tab, oh no, and F5. So I have now my title here. So class, don't forget to put um, that the doc type. What is doc type? So a doc type stands for document type declaration. So this doc type declaration is a Jurassic old version. So it is used to determine your type of your HTML version. So doc type HTML. So just save it, then start na tayo. HTML font and animation. HTML font is a collection of characters, letters, numbers, punctuation mark, and symbols. This font tag is used to add your style, your size, and color to text on your site. And also, an HTML font tag is deprecated in version 4.0 onwards. And now, all fonts are set by using CSS. So, when you say deprecated, it is already phased out. So, this HTML font is already phased out, and other tags like the HTML text formatting. So another is we have different HTML font attributes. So these font attributes, we have the face, we have the color, and we have the size. So the face define the font to be used. So, an example of the face are the Verdana, the Times New Roman, the Area, the Consulas, the Jokerman, and so on and so forth. And class, don't be aware that if you're using the different face, it depends on your computer settings. So, if your face is not available, they will or the your face will automatically apply as the default of your face is Times New Roman. So another is color. Color defines the color. So you can use the different primary color. And then the size we have here from 1 to 7. 1 is the smallest size, while 7 is the largest size. And the default of font size is 3. So these are my example. Example on here, on my text editor, I want to apply color on here or face on here. So how? So example from the word Jesus, yeah, it's like a computer. So just type font, face, equal sign, Verdana. Verdana. Then at the same time, I want to apply a color in here. Maroon. Then size. So remember, size 7 is the largest size. Then close on here, slash font. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. So this is the example. This is my example. So how about if you want to apply computer, the word computer here. You want to apply again a face here. So just type font, face, bababa ko lang ha, class. Face. Then class, you will, ayan, instead of typing it, go on here so that you will see, yeah, for example, you will see the different type of face. For example, I want to use Jokerman. So in my computer settings, I have no Jokerman in here. So hindi siya gagana. It automatically apply it to Times New Roman. So hanap tayo. And example is, I think, yeah, Lucida Console or ink free. So I have your ink free. And then just copy it, Control C or right click, copy. Then cancel it. Do not click OK. Because if you're going to press OK, your text editor, all the text here inside our notepad will automatically apply or use the ink free. So just cancel it. Then instead of typing it, so paste it here, Control V as in victory or right click, paste. Then color, example line. I will not change size on here, just paste and color only, then close it. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. And so the word computer, so I have here ink. I apply here face and color. Next is, how about if your face is not available? So, ganito class. Sample, he enters. The word enters. I want to apply font here, face. Sample, I want consolas. Consolas. Then, at the same time, I want to use Jokerman. Jokerman. And then, at the same time, Arial. So, class, example, this three face is available in your computer. So, it doesn't mean na lahat to ay pagaganahin niya. For example, dineclared mo yung first is consolas, yan yung una niyang pagaganahin. I mean, yan yung i-apply niya. So, hindi si Jokerman. Example, in your computer setting, this consolas is not available in your computer. Ito yon, yung next niya. For example, again, hindi siya available, si Arial na. Okay? So, yun yung gamit nun. Then, slash font. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. So, I have here yung enters, nag-apply siya as consolas. Next, how about if I want to have a paragraph here? Yung Jesus is like a computer is my first paragraph. I want to apply alignment in the center. Yung first paragraph ko, gusto ko nandun siya sa center. And then my second paragraph, he enters your life. I want in the right alignment. So how will you do that? So go on here, class. After or before the font, P, align, equal sign, center. Then close it after the word computer. So find the word computer. So close on here. Don't forget to, follow the philo principle. First in, last out. uh, P. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. So I have now my first paragraph. So at the same time, naka-center siya. How about in my second paragraph? My second paragraph is he enters your life. So where is he enters your life here? So I will put P here, then align, be careful in spelling, equal sign, right. Ay, sorry. Right. Then, I will find he up to he enters your life. So I will close my paragraph here. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. He enters. Where's my he? He. Wala na si he. Wait. Slash P. Yeah, I forget to put again double quotation. Don't forget it. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. So, ito na siya. I have my second paragraph. So, if you want to apply horizontal line here in between your first and second paragraph, so how will you do that? Go after, put your horizontal line after the word computer. So, find the word computer here. For example, you want to apply horizontal line in between the first and second paragraph. Where is that? After what? Computer. So I have here, after the closing of the paragraph, I will put HR. Um, for example, color red. And then align, equal sign, center. Then the width is, remember, the width is the length of your horizontal line, while the height is the size of your horizontal line. So with example, I want 200. Then the size, small size lang siya, class. Huwag kayong gagamit ng 100, 100. So you can use here 25. Space slash. So remember, an horizontal line is an empty tag. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. So I have now my horizontal line. Next, uh, how about if I want to have use a background color here? So sige, tingnan natin dito. So the background color here, class, wait. So the HTML color background. The background color attribute is used to control the background of an HTML element, specifically page and table of the background. So if you want to change your web page color, you can apply it. You can use that by using the background color. Where did you put it? So uh, here in my notepad, so if you want to change your web page, go inside the body. So here, my body. So if you want to apply a background color in your page, so this is the tag, BG color, equal sign, example, you want pink. So remember, this is an example of an HTML attributes. The HTML attributes, there are two types of HTML attributes. We have the name and the value. The name here is your BG color. The pink is your value. Another example of an HTML attributes is this one. The align is your name, and the align is your name, then the value is your center. Another example, one more example of an HTML attributes are your name is your face, then the value is the Verdana. So anyway, so this is the tag for a background color for your page. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. So I have now my background color. So next is, how about the pre? So the pre-formatted text, pakita ko muna to. Sayang naman yung PowerPoint. Yan. So according to this, a pre-formatted text is the same with the teletype text, yung TT. So your teletype text is a pre-formatted text. So it is a monospace type. So the same with the pre. So the pre-formatted text is an affixed with font and it preserves both spaces and line breaks. So no need to apply a BR on here. So this is the tag for the pre. Example, pre is a pre-formatted text free. So example on here, I want to apply on here. Wait, class, hanap tayo. Okay. Example, i-enter your live. Hanapin natin to para sayang. Yan. Example, I want to apply here. Pre. Then I will press tab for the indentation. Then, create tayo ng emoticons. Example like that, like this. Another is, and then, yan. So, enter, tap again. Asterisk. Yan. Kunwari, okay na yan. Then, close mo siya sa pre. So, kung paano mo siya tinype, ganun niya i-appear. So, remember, yung pre may automatic line break yan. No need to put the BR. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Ayan. Okay? So, binaba niya si your. Nasa na si, yes, this one, your life. So, meron kasi siyang line break effect, si pre. Another pre is the XMP. Yung XMP class is already deprecated and it created pre-formatted text. So, pareho sila. Monospace din siya. Yung monospace is a type of face. So, yan yung monotype niya. Example, dito tayo sa scan. Lagyan natin siya ng XMP instead of using pre. Tapos, tapos siya, tab, dash. And then another is asterisk. Example, asterisk. Then, natin. Wala, hindi ako magaling sa mga emoticons eh. /XMP. So, control is Alt Tab F5. So, ito na siya. Scan your problems. So, automatic, ito, wala siyang what? Line break. Pero same effect ni pre. Okay, next is the Marquee. What is Marquee? So, the Marquee is a tag used for scrolling a piece of text or image display either horizontally across or vertically down your website page depending on the setting. So it means it defines or it display into animated. It's like in your PowerPoint. So meron siyang animation effect. So your text will moving. So, example on here, I want to apply Marquee here from the word edit. Marquee. Then, close ko siya. Marquee. Ayan. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. So, ayun na siya. Ayan. So, after that, we have different attributes of Marquee. So, one of the attributes is the direction. So, in direction, under direction, we have the up, down, left, and right. So, example, gagamitin natin siya dun sa word na your here. So, lagyan mo siya Marquee, space, direction, attribute si direction. Ang value niya ay, kunwari galing sa up. So, class from down to up to ha. So, kung up ang gagamitin mo, galing siya baba, tapos i-akit niya. Down, up. And then, close mo na siya, slash Marquee. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. So, ayan o. Galing siya sa baba. Paakyat. Ayan, down, up. So, how about if you want to use down? So, para makita niyo yung difference between the two. So, Marquee, direction, equal sign, down. Tapos, Marquee. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Ayan siya. Galing naman siya from up to down. So, opposite ni down at saka ni up yan. Okay. Next attributes is the behavior. So, the behavior, we have three behaviors: scroll, alternate, and slide. Ano yung pagkakaiba nila? The default of the behavior is scroll. Kasi ito, yung word na edit, ayun, nakikita niyo yan, yan. So, yan ang effect ng scroll, iikot lang siya. So, yan ang default ni Marquee. So, how about the alternate? Ang alternate is bouncing. So, magbabounce lang siya. Babalik-balik siya, hindi siya iikot. So, another is yung slide naman. So, manggagaling siya ng right to left. So, after na punta siya sa left, mag-stop na yung effect niya. So, sample. Here. Yung downloads. Lalagyan natin ng effects si downloads. So, Marquee, behavior, gusto natin ng behavior niya, kunwari ay scroll. Pareho lang yan, scroll. Tapos, gusto ko ang direction niya ay papuntang right. Tapos, i-close ko na siya. Slash Marquee. So, behavior ginamit natin na Control S, Alt Tab, F5. So, see? Sorry, hindi nyo pala nakita. Yan. So, nanggaling siya ng right to left. Okay, next. How about, can you can use class, direction, and at the same time, behavior. So, pwede siyang sabay. So, how? So, dito lang, Marquee. Example, gusto ko muna ng behavior. Equal sign, alternate. Alternate, direction. Sample, galing siya ng up. Then, close ko na siya. So, I have behavior here and direction. So, sabayan na, Marquee. See the effect. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. See, magbabounce lang siya from down to up. Next attributes is the BG color. The BG color is the background color of your marquee. So, pwede ka mag-apply dyan. How? So, dito lang, delete. Pero dapat muna pala class yung scroll amount muna para hindi kayo malito. So we have again another marquee attributes. We have the scroll amount and scroll delay. Yung from the word scroll amount, it is the speed of your text. Yung scroll delay naman, so from the word delay of your text, yung bagal ng text mo. Example, gumamit ka ng scroll amount. So kung mas mataas na number, mas mabilis. Example, 100, 200. Pag 500, halos naka-blink na yung text mo. Yung scroll delay, opposite ni scroll amount. Okay, so sample, dito tayo kay delete. So, gamitan natin ng scroll amount. Marquee, scroll amount without space, equal sign, double quotation, mga 200. Ano class ha? Then, i-close mo lang siya. Close mo siya rito. Delete. /marquee. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. So, mabilis siya. Ayan o. Ayan ang effect niya. Sobrang bilis. Ayun. So, kala mo nagdadalawa yan. Napakabilis. Kasi nga, the scroll amount is the speed of your marquee, of your text, I mean. So, pwede mo siyang palitan. Gawin mo lang siyang 100. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. So, yun siya. Mabilis. So, how about if you want to apply, kunwari, palitan natin, gawin natin siyang 10 instead na 100. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Ayun. Parang ordinary lang siya. Okay? Pero mabilis siya. So, gawin na lang natin ulit siyang 100. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Next is, how about scroll delay? Go on here from the word your, so lagyan natin ng scroll delay. Scroll delay, marquee, scroll delay, gamitin 100, kunwari yung delay niya. So dito, kung mas mataas, mas mabagal. I think, pag mas mababa, mas mabilis ng konti. So, your /marquee. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. See? Ordinary. Okay. So, pag mas mababa pala, Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Yan, mas mabilis. Pag mas mataas, mas mabagal. So, gawin natin siyang 300. Tingnan nyo ha. Parang baby na naglalakad. So, it's delay of your text. So, yan yung effect ni scroll delay. Next attributes is the background color. So, lagyan na natin. So, the background color in here, and then sa worries. Marquee, we can apply background here using the marquee background color. Example, lalagyan natin siya ng yellow, ang background color natin. Tapos, gusto ko si worries, pero lagyan na natin muna ng close ni marquee. Control is Alt Tab, F5. Ayun na siya. How about if you want to apply color here in my text, yung worries, yung word na worries, pwede. Punta ka dito sa worries, follow the Philippine principle, the first in and last out. So, lagyan mo siya ng font, color, equal sign, green. Para magkaroon ng kulay. Minsan kasi ang background color, hindi nakikita yung text. So, ganito lang gagawin nyo, /font. So, yung font ko, magkakaroon ng kulay na green. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Ayan na siya. So under another attributes is we have the width, the height, the V space, and the H space. So if you use the width and height, you must always uh, apply the BG color. Kasi yung background color is for the height and for the width. And the BG color also is for the vertical space and horizontal space. So pag gagamitin mo yon, kailangan mo si background color so that you will see the effect. Example one here. Marquee. BG color. I want fuchsia here. Fuchsia. Tapos, BG color. Lagyan ko siya ng width. Width. Okay, yung width. Okay, the width. Then after that, nasaan na tayo with it? Equal sign, kunwari ang width niya 100. Tapos ang height niya, yan. Height niya is example, is gawin natin siyang 75. Tapos, i-close na natin siya sa Marquee. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Ayan na siya. Ayan. So, masyadong mataas yung height. Eh, ang ating word lang ay N. So, pwede mo siyang baguhin yung height. So, siguro gawin natin mga 25. Tingnan natin ha. Tab F5. Ayan na siya. You can resize the height and width. It depends on the content of your text. Another, how about if you want to use the vertical space and horizontal space? So example, ito gagamitan natin. Hanap tayo ng text. Wait. Ano ba ito? Marquee. Itang klasa. Ayan. So, kunwari, gusto mong gamitin yung width and space at saka horizontal space. Class, kung gagamit ka ng width and height, no need to use the vertical space and horizontal space. So, if you want width and height lang. So, yung vertical space at horizontal space, yun lang yun. Together with the background color. Marquee, background color, equal sign. So, example ay olive. Then, ang vertical space niya, example, 100. Yung horizontal space niya, remember, the vertical space is your column, and then your horizontal space is your row. Para gawin din natin siyang, gayahin natin yung kanina, 75. Yun yung nauna natin dineclared, saves you. So, lagay natin Marquee. Ay, hindi bumaba. Wait. Ilang class ay baba ko yung word na shadow kasi. Yan. Yan. Slash Marquee. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Yan. Ayun na siya. So, yan. Kunwari, gusto mong i-adjust lang, kontihan mo ng vertical space niya, gawin mo lang dito, o gawin mong 50. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Or yung vertical space, or yung horizontal space niya, gawin mo siyang 25. Kung mas mataas, lumalaki yung width, yung width niya. And then yung horizontal and vertical space. So, lakihan natin, 250. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Ayan siya. Okay? So, na-adjust. So, kayo nang bahala dun, class. So, class, example, I have here different colors. Ngayon, na-applyan ko yung background ko na black. Kunwari, ito. So, pwede siya. So, kunwari, applyan mo siya ng black on here. Yan. Yung black ko, yung color ko, instead na pink, gawin ko siyang black. Ha? Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Nawala na yung iba kong black na text. Kasi syempre, black na yung ginamit mo, kailangan ang text nyo is white. So, how? So, pumunta ka dito below after the body. So, mag-declare ka dito ng font color equal sign white. Tapos, mag-close ka dito. Para lahat ng text mong black, gagawin niyang white. Yan na siya. Okay? Yan na siya, class. So, sana naintindihan niyo, class. I hope you watch this video, class, so that you have guide in your hands-on activity 4 and 5. Good luck and God bless, class. So this is my web page, and then this is now my HTML text editor. Thank you so much for watching, class. See you next week. Mhm.